The previous week, I have made the trigger mechanism, which was supposed to turn around with the servo and was able to tick the limit switch. But then, when moment of truth arrived, when I had to spool the string, I saw that the string was being obstructed by the trigger mechanism itself. So to get away with that, I have kind of thought what I should do because there are multiple ways of approaching a problem. One is offload it or delegate it to the current frontier AI. And as we know that during the weekends we always like out of the uses token. So I have used one of the open model that's something named, I'm not remembering, I'll just put it here or here. And that model was completely free. And I think it is running for the last 2 days and constantly iterating the objective given. One objective was given that it should work on the existing design which we have and work it out to make it free from the string obstruction. And the second objective was to start from scratch, given the objective of NeckGuardian as a whole. Now the second objective was still going on as I talk, and it is still being recorded as I talk. But the previous one, like the first one, which was supposed to be worked out with the analytics, using the existing design, it miserably failed because it didn't know where to start and how to start. Even when the objectives were clear, because the previous models were able to do it, like even the cloud saw it. And when I tried with the new model, which is free to use for a few days, it turned out to be not asking for any question that is being confused or it is unable to go ahead. Then I have given it some pointers that there will be a few places where the string will be moving, and the whole movement, the 4D movement, I would say, like with the time it sweeps the whole mechanism, how it is going to hold up. Like is it going to hit the string or obstruct it? It kind of have given me some solutions given that input, but then no avail because it made a solid mesh, a cylindrical mesh, which was kind of pi, okay, and it was able to sweep through, was able to avoid the string, but it missed the servo. So it continuously hitting the servo. Okay, now this is a very amazing scenario here. The overall exercise was not meant for AI, I guess, because it was something starting from the existing work. I think this AI was inefficient there, so I had to give some input points to start from, and once I have given the input points, it was able to work it out the placement where the string should be. Then, as I said, the swipe movement, the 4D obstruction checking, it has done it very well, but it ended up saying the objective is clear because it just had simply moved a bit and also obstructing the servo now. But this thing has given me some idea that okay, I can now update my design. So the design here is completely modular. This is one of the limit hitter, and this is the idea which I got while working. Very simple compared to the previous complex design. So if it moves, right, this corner part was hitting the string. Here, by doing this exercise, I realized, okay, this I can remove it. Yeah, so this particular volume I can remove entirely to hit compared to the previous design when this was out. It's just the idea complexity when you start from scratch. Something crazy happens and you end up making the complex design. So after this, when the things are done, now I think I'm pretty sure I can go ahead. I will put up the video here if the things are working, or we will move to the next week. Having said that, the second objective, the current design of starting from fresh by the analytics end-to-end is still being worked on. I'll just put on some screenshots here if I can put up. So what happens now? I will check next week, like how this entire movement with the new neck design holds up, and then continue going for the movement, the real system. The simulation also, I'll just proceed further. Maybe right now I can do it, I'll put it up here, or I'll do it in next week, and then followed by that we'll have the hardware assembled with the new neck design. Keep following, and I will go very slow because I want to be slow here. Many things to do, and this is one thing I'm building in public. Have a nice day. Bye.